Who are you? KOFI. This is a Kofi Shaba. I've got some special reading for you, and this reading is just created by myself. I'm in the studio where you can stay. The studio. Can you show them a little bit of studio? Yeah, man. So this is a studio of a recording studio, and just give you some vibes of some little bit reading here. So don't forget, my name is KOFI Kofi Shaba, and always catch me on Kiss FM 87.6, 87.8, or jump on my performance page www.africanstardance.com, and you can find me there. Listen to this tune.